Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be guiding you through how to change your email address on Shippo. To change your Shippo account's email address, first of all open a web browser. Now go to the URL box and type in goshippo.com. You'll now end up on the official website for GoShippo. Go ahead and sign into your account like you normally do by entering your login credentials. After you're signed into the account, go to the upper right corner and click on the gear button. Now from the settings menu, scroll down and click on Profile. Go to your email tab and erase your current email. Overwrite it with another email address you are trying to change to and click on Save. You will need to enter your password to verify your account change and click on Confirm. Once you do that, you will now be able to change your email address. If prompted, you will need to verify your email by going to your email inbox and click open the link or paste in the verification code whenever prompted. So that's how you can easily change your email on Shippo in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.